Michigan homeowners are no stranger to the snow, with some parts of the state getting hundreds of inches of snow per year. And while it may look beautiful at the moment, melting snow can cause some serious issues for your plumbing. To prevent problems, you'll need to know how to handle the snow. Keep watching to learn how you can keep your winter wonderland from turning into a soggy nightmare. Check your roof. The best way to see if melting snow is causing a problem is to check outside, starting with your roof. If you notice that your house is the only one on the street with no snow on the roof, this could mean that your attic insulation needs attention. No loft insulation causes your home to lose heat from your roof. If there's a load of snow that is bearing down on the roof, this problem could surface even if there is loft insulation. Your roof could pop, crack, or even collapse with significant amounts of snow. Gutters and downspouts. Next, check your gutters and downspouts. Your gutters have the important job of directing water away from your home, but fluctuating temperatures can cause an excess of water. When temperatures dip below freezing again, snow and ice can freeze inside the pipes, causing them to expand and burst. Check your basement. Don't wait for sub-zero temperatures and the snow to stop falling outside before you take care of the inside of your home, particularly the basement, as basements in Michigan have a tendency to flood. Sudden melting snow turns to excessive water, which can cause the same damage as seasons with heavy rainfall. To avoid expensive water damage, make sure your sump pumps are working properly. A backed up or overloaded drain can cause major problems like flooding, so don't make maintenance an afterthought. Ceilings and walls. Melting snow allows dampening moisture to enter the house, saturating the ceiling and floor joints. Potential problems include warping when drying out, causing potential foundation splits and ceiling cracks. It gets scarier too, as your home insurance may not cover all water damage. Protect your walls from snow and frost damage too by keeping a protective exterior wall coating of paint on the walls. This ceiling paint can repel any excess water that may leak onto the wall or drip from the roof. Keep pipes warm. As the snow melts, don't leave town without checking your pipelines. Frozen drains are a costly fix amongst other homeowner expenses. When frozen pipes eventually melt, they begin to expand, causing fine cracks and leaks. Protect and warm your plumbing pipes by opening cabinets and insulating your piping system. Prepare to deal with melting snow before it's too late. While there's nothing more beautiful than a freshly fallen snow, a melty mess can cause havoc on your home. Make sure you're prepared before it's too late. Get in touch today and prepare your home for spring. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.